Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to do the August dump photo trend on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So first of all, open your Instagram app and tap on your story, and now tap on sticker, tap on add yours, and right here and tap on done. You can make the sticker large and small, and then tap on send, and now you can send it to your story. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.